Today we're going to talk about a small but important detail on the Approach R50, its sticker. The Approach R50 uses 3 high-speed cameras to capture detailed data and imagery of the ball and club head at impact. Since it doesn't require much space, it's ideal for indoor practice to help the high-speed cameras measure key club data more precisely. We placed the sticker included with the R50 on the upper center of the club face. This specially designed sticker is not only durable and weather-resistant, but more importantly, the R50's cameras rely on its high reflectivity for clear tracking and detection. It works almost like a tracking marker on your club face, allowing the system to accurately measure and provide reliable metrics like club head speed and launch angle. According to the Approach R50 user manual, the sticker should be placed at the upper center of the club face. The engineering team chose this position because it works across different club head shapes, and it's the easiest location for the cameras to recognize, while also sitting just above the sweet spot, making it easier for the system to calculate club and ball interaction data. Since the sticker is reflective, it plays a critical role in camera tracking, so if it gets dirty, it should be replaced. We recommend purchasing official R50 reflective stickers from the Garmin website to avoid using ones with incorrect reflectivity, which could affect detection accuracy. When applying the sticker, make sure there are no other reflective materials or white markings nearby that might interfere with recognition. If you've ruled out all the factors mentioned in the manual, but your shot data still seems different than usual, it could be due to differences between indoor and outdoor conditions, such as wind direction, wind speed, and humidity. These factors affect the aerodynamics of the ball during flight and spin, which ultimately impacts trajectory and distance. That's an overview of the Approach R50 reflective sticker. Thanks for watching.